Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today I am joining Jay at J Dolls UK and Penny from Playful Doll Adventures, along with Keith. We don't want to leave him out. And we are joining in on the Elf challenge that they offer each month to anybody that would like to play along. I brought out a couple elves and mostly frogs. Their challenge today was with the elves, green or frogs. And my frogs are mostly green, except for my hippie beanbag and my brand new Frida. Frida the frog, who is Fritz's new girlfriend, and she has on an 18-inch doll dress. Don't really like the fit, but it's not awful. Darren just got her together yesterday. She has magnets on her hands and her feet rather than super glued. And we are trying that out to see if we like it. I love these frogs. I just absolutely love these frogs. Thank you so much, Jay and Penny, for giving me the opportunity to show off some of my frogs another time. Please join Penny and Jay with your elves. Any kind of elf will do, even a Christmas elf. You can see I brought my guy down. And it's just a lot of fun each month. I'm going to leave my comment in. Everybody that has an elf video, I'm going to leave it in the comments so that people know that I have it today, and I encourage you to do the same. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel, and please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.
She turned out pretty cute.
She's adorable. I love that high shine pink. Love it.